Moving on to exercise questions. இப்போ இதே மாதிரி example எப்படி நம்ம solve பண்ணுமோ I'm going to solve similarly. Please watch my previous videos for example questions. Okay, I'm going to directly solve them now. So இப்போ 24x less than 100. First இது solve பண்ண போறேன். So I'll have 24x less than 100. X is less than 100 divided by 24. What happens when I simplify? 4 6 are 24. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. 25 divided by 6, which is going to give me 6 4s are 24. 1 0, 6 1s are 6, 4, 6 8s are 48, 6 7s are 42, 6 6 are 36. So இந்த மாதிரி போயிட்டே இருக்க போகுது. So my x value is going to be less than 4.16. So x is less than 4.16. First subsection, x is a natural number. Natural number na, my natural number starts from 1. So x belongs to the values 1, 2, 3, 4. The value is less than 4.16. So it includes the value 4. Okay. So x oda value enna? This is my solution set. Okay, this is how you write your final answer. Second subsection, x is an integer. Integer na enartham, it includes all the negative numbers also. So my values end at 4. Adukku munadi enna values irukku? 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3 and no end. Negative numbers ki end kadayadu. So what is my solution set for x? It is going to have all the values from -infinity, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is going to include all the values from -infinity to 4, but only integers. Okay, in the 1.1, 1.2, in the mari real numbers alla include pannadu. Okay, only integer numbers. Please copy. Question number 2. Solve for -12x greater than 30, natural number and integer. Very, very similar to the previous question. So, adhe mari solve panna porom. -12x greater than 30. I'm going to divide both sides by -12. Whenever I'm multiplying or dividing by a negative number, the inequality is going to get reversed. Okay. Rule number 2. Please understand. Please remember. So I have -12x divided by -12. Greater than becomes less than. Please pay attention. The greater than symbol becomes the less than symbol whenever you are subtracting or whenever you are multiplying or dividing by a negative number. Subtraction, addition la problem illa. Multiplication, division la mattum da inequality reverse agum. Okay. So 30 divided by -12. So I have -12 and the -12 gets cancelled. X less than 30 divided by -12. I can cancel this. So I'll have 2 6 are 2 15 times. 2 3s are 3 2s are 3 5s are. So 5 divided by 2. So I have x less than -5 divided by 2, which is x less than -2.5. So if x is natural number, first subsection enna, it is going to be a natural number. So x or the solution sets alla enna -2.5, which means the values which are less than -2.5 na enartham, 2 is over here, -2.5 is over here, -3, -4 and so on. In the book of -1, 0, 1. When I'm talking about x is less than 2.5, I'm going to the left of the number line, but all these numbers are not natural numbers. These are all integers. Natural numbers start only from 1. But in that value -2.5 vida lesser ah irukku, which means your solution set is going to be an empty set. There is no solution. No solution when you are talking about x is a natural number. Solution kadayadu. Second subsection enna, it is going to be an integer. So in the case la you will have solutions. When you are talking about integers, x will belong to what is all my solution set? -2.5 varaiku. So -2 is included. Further enga pogum? -3, -4, -5 and so on. So -2 is my final answer. It will include all the values until infinity, but only integers until -2. Okay, clear? Please copy. Question number 3. X is an integer and x is a real number. இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? I'm going to solve 5x -3 less than 7. 5x is less than 7 plus 3. 5x is less than 10. X is less than 2. X is an integer. So first subsection, integer na, it will have all the positive and the negative numbers. So x belongs to 2 irkom. X less than. So 1, 0, -1, -2 and so on until -infinity. It includes all the integers. Okay. Second subsection, x is a real number. Real number na enartham? X is less than 2 na, it will include all the values. 2 is not included. 2 is not included in the subset. Please pay attention. 2 is not included in the solution set. X is less than 2 na, it is going to include all the values until 1.999 varaiku include agapodhu. So x belongs to all the values from -infinity until 2 and 2 is not included. Adnala I am putting a circular bracket. If 2 was included, I'll put minus infinity to 2 closed bracket. Okay, minus infinity ko plus infinity ko epome circular bracket. Only for numbers, whenever the number is included, you're going to put a square bracket, and the number is not included, you're going to put a circular bracket. Okay, so this is my range of values. Please copy. Fourth question. Solve 3x plus 8 greater than 2. So 3x plus 8 greater than 2. So I have 3x greater than 2 minus 8, 3x greater than minus 6, x is greater than minus 6 divided by 3, x is greater than minus 2. In the இடத்துல we are only dividing by positive number, divided by 3 தான் பண்றோம். Okay, even though you have a minus 6 here, in the இடத்துல negative number does not matter. Only when you are dividing or multiplying by negative number, the inequality changes. Okay, so x is greater than minus 2 in this case. So first subsection, x is an integer. If x is greater than minus 2 na, x is going to belong to minus 2 included kadayadu. So I'll have my values starting from minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Infinity varaikum pogum, but only integers. Okay, when we are talking about real numbers, it will include all the decimal numbers, rational numbers, irrational, integer, natural numbers, whole numbers, ellame include agum. Okay, so x belongs to numbers starting from minus 2. Minus 2 length infinity varaikum irukku. Minus 2 is not included, so I am putting a circular bracket. Okay, please copy. Question number 4. Solve the inequalities for real x. So inime we are only going to deal with real numbers, natural number, integer adala kadayadu. So real numbers na, it includes all the values. So in the infinity length, minus infinity length number, illa number length positive infinity. Okay, so this is what we are going to deal with. So fifth question, 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. I'm going to bring the 5x to the other side. So I have 4x minus 5x less than 7 minus 3. 5x in the kondu vanditen, 3 and the kondu poiten. I have minus x less than 4. I'm going to multiply by minus 1 on both sides. So I'll have x greater than minus 4. The inequality changes when we are multiplying or dividing by negative numbers. Always remember, this is rule number 2. Rule number 2, it is given in your NCERT textbook. Okay, please don't forget. Minus 1 ala multiply pandrom, so the inequality is going to change. In that minus x less than 4, x less than minus 4 nu eludakudadu. Okay, this is wrong. You have to change the inequality. You see here, less than symbol becomes a greater than symbol when you are multiplying by minus 1. Okay, this is wrong. Please don't write this. So x is greater than minus 4. So what is going to be your range? X belongs to from minus 4 until infinity, not including 4. So circular bracket. Okay, please copy.